Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Monica, and today I'm going to take you shopping with me. I am out to see what's in the stores for Christmas. I know it's early. I love planning early. I love getting around to the stores, seeing what they have out, and then going home and thinking about how I want to decorate for the season. I'm probably going to do something pretty similar as I did last season, more of a neutral Christmas. I absolutely loved it, and it was so much fun doing. Yeah, let's just go ahead and see what everybody has. So the first store we're going to go to is HomeGoods, and this is my absolute favorite store to shop at for home decor. They always have something different out for Christmas, and I love that they also have like vintage type looking Christmas decor and stuff like that. So I love seeing what they have every single Christmas. I always like to incorporate a little bit of that red and white in my kitchen just to kind of bring in more of that Christmassy look, even though I go with more of a neutral tone in my family room. If you're looking for a very simple way to cozy up your space this Christmas season, use lots of cozy blankets, and HomeGoods definitely has such a huge variety. I'm showing you a little example in that photo, but I love using cozy blankets and just throwing them on my couch or a oversized chair. It really adds a lot of comfort to a room. Using candles is another way to cozy up a space. I love seeing what's out for the Christmas season, or actually any holiday season at HomeGoods in their candle selection. The scents are always absolutely amazing, and some of these candles come in the most beautiful packaging, so you can add some really pretty decor and a nice scent, or even unscented white candles look absolutely beautiful as well. Now we're going to go into Hobby Lobby, and right now all of their Christmas decor is 50% off, and I loved these boho style ornaments. I'm showing you an example of how you can use those on a Christmas tree in your Christmas decor, and their selection of ornaments is most definitely the best if you are looking for some Christmas ornaments. I love getting ornaments here. My friend and I in California, we always exchange an ornament once a year, and it is such a fun tradition. So Hobby Lobby is definitely the place to go for Christmas decor. My absolute favorite. Their Christmas trees are always so beautiful, and you're going to want to grab these early because they do sell out really fast. This flocked one I've been looking at for a couple of years now. I haven't bought it, but I have been eyeing it for a few years, and I just think it's so incredibly beautiful. I love their bottle brush trees. I think they're so pretty and they look vintage. I also loved this package of vintage ornaments. I think I'm going to go back and purchase this, maybe like 2 or 3 boxes, and do my tree in the front room. But their selection of Christmas ornaments, as far as these little Christmas balls here, is huge, and I know that you can make those really cute DIY ornament wreaths out of these, and I'm showing you an example here in this picture, and I will leave a link to all of the photos and DIYs or whatever that I'm showing here on the screen, because I want to give you some ideas for Christmas. So if you're looking to decorate one of those this year, I have a link down in my description box for that. Hobby Lobby also has an amazing variety of Christmas garland. No matter what style you are looking to decorate for, they have it for you. And I have never decorated my stairwell, but I really want to try something like this photo here this year, and I think I might go back and purchase a few of these garlands and try to recreate that. But I really wanted to do that this year. I have never done it, and I'm excited to see how it will turn out if I do decide on doing that. Not only do they have a huge selection of everything Christmas, but their Christmas wreaths are amazing. And I love that they have so many plain Christmas wreaths, because then you can just go back and add your own picks to them. I also love these mini wreaths, and I think they look so pretty as like candle toppers, or you can place like a larger candle in these bigger ones. You can also tie a beautiful ribbon on them and hang them on your cabinets or over the backs of your chairs if you're having like a Christmas dinner or whatever. But their selection of wreaths, big and small, is absolutely top notch. It's all around us. Christmas has found us. Yet another year. We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons, everyone's still here, and that's something to be grateful about. Let's be grateful we're still here. Yeah, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family and friends. The last store that I'm going to take you into is Michael's, and I feel like Michael's always has a very beautiful selection if you are looking for that shabby chic French country or vintage style looking ornament. They always have some beautiful colors to choose from. Right now they didn't have all of their Christmas stuff out, but they did have quite a bit, and what I did see was just really, really pretty. I am really into that vintage look, and I think I'm gonna go a lot with that this year. I did go with a vintage neutral look in my family room last year, and I loved it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with a vintage look with more color in my front room, and I am just really excited to decorate for Christmas this year. I cannot wait to share the videos that are gonna come out, but I love everything that I saw. I love these little packages of gingerbread men. You can put these with some other Christmas ornaments or decorations and add them to a beautiful bowl, or you can put them in a cake plate and just display them on your counter. I think that would look really pretty inside of a kitchen. These mini Christmas garlands would look so pretty, lightly draped over chandelier. I love using this and just adding a little pop of more decor in the lighting. I've done that before and it just looks really pretty. I love, love, love these little villages. I think it's just so nostalgic for me. I just love everything about that, and I do always set up a tiny little section in my house with a little Christmas village. Michael's also had a beautiful selection of Christmas florals as well. Well, that is it for today's Shop With Me. I hope that you guys got inspired with what I had shown you, and I am super, super excited to share some DIY Christmas decor with you and all of that fun stuff in the upcoming weeks. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below which part of today's video was your favorite. How are you going to decorate this Christmas season? I cannot wait to hear from each and every one of you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you click out, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye!